In this video, we will explore the git reset command. Git reset is a powerful tool that allows you to move the head and branch pointers to specific commits. Let's dive in and understand how it works. So, what exactly is git reset? Git reset is a powerful command that updates the current branch pointer and optionally modifies the working directory and staging area. Its primary purpose is to move the head and branch pointer to a specified commit, effectively resetting your branch to a previous state. Consider a scenario where you have 3 commits: commit 1, commit 2, and commit 3. Currently, the head and master branch pointers are pointing to commit 3. Git reset comes with 3 main modes, each affecting your working directory and staging area differently. The first mode is the soft mode. The soft mode moves the head pointer to the specified commit, but leaves the changes staged, meaning they are still in the index. Your working directory remains unchanged. To use the soft mode, you would type git reset, followed by the soft parameter, and then specify the commit you want to reset to, such as head_1. Next is the mixed mode. Mixed mode, which is the default mode, moves the head pointer to the specified commit and unstages the changes, resetting the index. Your working directory remains unchanged. To use mixed mode, you can simply type git reset, followed by the commit you want to reset to, such as head_1. The third mode is the hard mode. The hard mode moves the head pointer to the specified commit, unstages the changes by resetting the index, and also resets the working directory, discarding any uncommitted changes. To use the hard mode, you would type git reset, followed by the hard parameter, and then specify the commit you want to reset to, such as head_1. Remember to use the hard option with caution, as it permanently discards uncommitted changes. Let's explore some common use cases for git reset. You might use it to undo the last commit while keeping the changes, remove staged changes, discard local commits that haven't been pushed yet, start over from a specific commit, or clean up your local history before pushing. For example, to undo the last commit but keep the changes, you can use the command git reset with the soft parameter followed by head_1. This will leave the changes from the undone commit staged, ready to be modified and committed again. To remove staged changes, you can use the command git reset head, followed by the file name, such as file.txt. This will unstage the specified file, but preserve the modifications in your working directory. Finally, to discard local commits, you can use the command git reset with the hard parameter, followed by origin/main. This resets your branch to the state of the origin/main branch and discards all local commits and changes. Note that this is a destructive operation and should be used with caution. It's important to understand the difference between git reset and git revert. Git reset moves the head and branch pointer to a previous commit and rewrites the commit history, which is generally not safe for shared branches. In contrast, git revert creates a new commit that undoes the changes, preserving the commit history, and is safe for shared branches. For example, the command git reset with the hard parameter followed by head_3 removes the last 3 commits and changes the history. On the other hand, the command git revert head_3 double head creates new commits that undo the last 3 commits. Therefore, use reset for local branches and revert for shared or public branches. Let's visualize how git reset works. Before a reset operation, you might have a series of commits such as commit 1, commit 2, commit 3, and commit 4 with the head and main branch pointers pointing to commit 4. After running the command git reset with the soft parameter followed by head_2, the head and main branch pointers move back to commit 2. The changes from commit 3 and commit 4 remain staged. Although commit 3 and commit 4 are no longer part of the branch, they still exist in the Git database and can be recovered with the reflog if needed. Eventually, they will be garbage collected. Git reset can also target specific files. This only affects the staging area, also known as the index, and doesn't move the head pointer. This is useful for unstaging specific changes. For example, to unstage a specific file, you can use the command git reset head, followed by the file name. To unstage multiple files, you can use the command git reset head, followed by the list of file names. Additionally, you can restore a file to a previous commit. This automatically stages the changes and doesn't affect other files. To reset a file to a version from 3 commits ago, you can use the command git checkout head -3, followed by the file name. Then, if needed, you can unstage it with the command git reset head, followed by the file name. For modern Git versions, you might consider using the git restore command for file operations. Here are some safety tips to keep in mind when using git reset. It's a good practice to create a backup branch before performing a reset operation. Start by using the soft or mixed modes first to understand the impact. Avoid using reset on shared branches and always check git status before and after the operation. Also, familiarize yourself with how to use the reflog for recovery. To create a backup branch, use the command git branch backup -branch. Then perform the reset operation. If needed, you can return to the backup branch by using the command git checkout backup -branch. To use the reflog for recovery, use the command git reflog to view the reflog history. Then, you can recover lost commits by using the command git reset with the hard parameter followed by the specific head at entry. Avoid using reset on commits already pushed to a remote repository, on shared branches with collaborators, or when unsure about the consequences. Remember that resetting with the hard option permanently discards uncommitted changes. Let's explore some common git reset workflows. The first workflow is undoing the last commit. First, check the status of your repository with git status. Then create a backup branch with git branch backup. Next, undo the commit but keep the changes with git reset, soft head 1. After that, make any necessary changes by editing the files and finally, recommit with the new message using git commit message. Another common workflow is cleaning up the local history. Start by reviewing the commit history with git log, 1 line. Identify the target commit to reset to and copy the commit hash. Then, reset to that commit with git reset, followed by the commit hash. Next, stage the changes by adding the modified files with git add. And finally, create a clean commit with git commit cleanup. In summary, let's review the key takeaways. There are 3 reset modes: soft, which moves the head and keeps changes staged; mixed, which moves the head and unstaged changes; and hard, which moves the head and discards all changes. Common use cases include undoing recent commits, unstaging changes, cleaning up local history, and discarding uncommitted changes. Remember to follow best practices by creating backup branches, using caution on shared branches, knowing how to recover with the reflog, and starting with soft or mixed modes first. To further your learning, consult the Git documentation, the Pro Git book, and Git cheat sheets. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.